I think you enjoy the glass water. It's like a painting, just looking at the water, watching the birds fly by. What the action camera can do, take some nice shots, very easy to use. Just a little hard at times for some to press a button. Many don't complain, and when you do your water scuba and you need to press the button, but what about when you go skiing and you got a pair of gloves? Haven't heard a single complaint about that yet. Well, I got my temporary fix on the bicycle, right? I'm going to get a new tire, a wheel. I'm going to get a new rim, a new tube, and a new tire for the wheel. And I'll be all set. And I didn't pay shipping. I paid a good price for it. And I thought it would cost me a good $100. Not even close to that. Can I keep the rim I got on? No, because it doesn't meet with the brakes. So I only have front brakes at this given time. Oh man, I just did that single-handedly. I'm still pretty good with the bicycle. Now, I'm happy shooting with the DJI Action as my go-to camera. It's all set up on a tripod. But my GoPro is a lot easier to use, believe it or not. It gets a better color and profile. Well, you watch TV, you like Kodachrome, you like Panavision, you tell me. Those are swan eggs right there. There's about 5 of them. And she's not around. She's probably out looking for food. Oh, man. You really blow me away, DJI. I must have been fooling around for the past half an hour, at least. And now you come on when I just pick you up. Go back to sleep, buddy. Go back to sleep. If I had a Sony ZV-E1, I'm just going to call it, if I had a Sony E1, man, I'd probably be complaining about it too. I don't complain. I just speak what's on my mind out loud to you. And there are many other YouTubers out there that do the same, complain about their cameras. And they may do it in a different way. And that's all you hear them talk about. It's the hype. It's the fad right now. I don't need to go spend over $3,000+ just to have a camera to shoot video. Whatever you got will do just fine to do the job. And that's exactly what I did with this. And I got myself something that will work just for nighttime a lot better than the action cameras. And I am pretty happy just shooting with the action cameras what I do. I tell you, if I take my Sony ZV-1F and I just constantly use it and make that my vlogging camera and this and that and all that good stuff, I'll be happy with it. And I complain about it. Focus hunting, it does. Defocus, it does. And it does it when you're not supposed to have it happening. And it almost acts as your product review because you could put your hand in front and then it'll defocus the background. And that's supposed to do it automatically by detecting what you have in hand that sees in the center spot metering. And yeah, and that's why I like using the Action 3. It's a fixed focus 100%. The Sony 1F is not a fixed focus and it's not an autofocus. It's a auto fixed focus. It's autofocus fixed focus, like a smartphone. But you know what? Try to disable it, keep it all off, and everything will be just fine. Now I do my reviews with the blue background, and yeah, I tell you what, sometimes it hunts, sometimes it don't. But just take your time and you get the job done. That's all I'm saying. All right. Sometimes the camera don't shut down. And maybe because I tap the screen or it rests against something or it fails something, and I'm going to shut it down now. And maybe the next time when I turn it back on, I'll say, hey, I'm Fish. I'll catch you on many other videos to come, and I see you on other things. On that note, it's time for me to end my bike ride, go have some fun, getting some work done, do some business, and have a good day. What a day it is, nice and warm, nice and hot.